I'm Oscar Pereira, the founder of CodeSkin Professional and the ex-founder of Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. Today we're going to do a demo of our Advanced EnzyFol Treatment, which is a double exfoliation treatment with a detan and a black mud mask for all skin types, including sensitive skin. This treatment is a very safe pH treatment that uses fruit enzymes from papaya, pineapple and pumpkin to remove the epidermal dead skin, which brightens skin, refines skin texture, tightens spores and lightens epidermal hyperpigmentation. Now let's watch the demo.
CodeSkin Pro Advanced EnzyFol Treatment. Step 1. Cleansing. Empty the contents of the sachet in a glass bowl and mix with little water till the powder dissolves completely. Apply it over a moist neck and face with a treatment brush and massage with anti-clockwise circular movements for 5 minutes. Wet the hands and massage to work up a rich lather. Remove the product with a spatula and then wipe clean. Step 2. Advanced EnzyFol Exfoliator. Apply the entire contents of the sachet on the neck and face and massage for 3 minutes with steam and for another 3 minutes without steam. Remove blackheads and whiteheads if required and then wipe clean. Step 3. Advanced EnzyFol Essence. Apply the entire contents of the sachet on a moist cotton pad and tone the neck and face with gentle tapping movements. Step 4. Advanced EnzyFol Powder and Activator. Pour the contents of the sachet containing Advanced EnzyFol Enzyme Powder 4A and Advanced EnzyFol Activator 4B in a glass bowl and mix well to form a smooth paste. Apply this on the neck and face with a treatment brush. Cover the neck and face with a cling wrap, leaving space on the nose and mouth for the client to breathe. Give steam for 7 minutes and then leave for another 3 minutes. Remove the cling wrap, emulsify with water for 2 minutes and wipe clean. Step 5. Advanced EnzyFol Massage Gel. Apply the entire contents of the sachet on the neck and face and massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Moisten the hands with water for a smooth massage movement. And then wipe the face clean. Step 6. Advanced EnzyFol Brightening Cream. Empty the entire contents of the sachet in a glass bowl and apply evenly on the neck and face with a pack brush. Leave on for 10 minutes. Emulsify with water and then wipe clean. Step 7. Advanced EnzyFol Black Mud Mask. Apply on the neck and face with a pack brush. Spray water to keep the mask moist. Leave on for 10 minutes. Emulsify well with water and then wipe clean. Step 8. Serum. Hyaluronic Acid 7+. Apply on the neck and face and leave on. Step 9. Mineral Sunscreen. Apply the contents of the sachet on the neck and face. Spread well with fingertips and then blend into the skin with gentle tapping movements.